Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. O'Mara here again. This is lesson 18, application problem. Okay, we've been working on multiplication and division this whole time, and you've been doing a fabulous job, so let's continue. Before I get started, you will be hearing this same problem during the concept development slide soon with Mrs. Walker, but she's going to show you a different way to draw it, okay? So let's read it. A parking structure has 10 levels. There are 3 cars parked on each level. How many cars are parked in the structure? So think about a parking garage, how there are levels. And if you picture this one, wow, it's 10 levels. That's a tall one. You put 3 cars on each level. Okay, how would you draw that? Well, what comes to mind first? Well, I am thinking a tape diagram. Okay, so if I look at my levels, I can do it long ways or tall ways, which is horizontally or vertically. I'm just going to start my tape diagram here. So I have to draw how many of those? You are correct, 10 of those. But each one has 3 cars on it. So there's my first level, my second level, my third, oh goodness, fourth, ooh, my fifth. I haven't gotten any better, have I? My sixth, seventh, oops, 8, 9, 10. And I always tell my class, just pretend like they're perfect. Okay, so on each level, there are how many cars parked on that level? You are correct, 3. So I'm going to place my 3. Now you can do it 2 ways. We can go ahead and start multiplying or skip counting, and you could put 3, 6, 9, 12. And you already know how to count by 3s or skip count by 3s. 15, oh goodness, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Well, what it said was there are 3 cars on each level. And remember, we wanted our total. We wanted to find our total of cars on 10 levels. Oops, excuse me. So our question is, how many cars? All right. Well, oh my goodness, Mrs. O'Mara, I don't even think that says cars. I am doing a question mark of how many cars. Okay, so C, A, woo, I'm sure yours is much better than mine. R, how many cars? Well, you probably realize that this is our multiplication sentence. 10 levels times 3 cars. Oh, goodness. Equals, well, if we counted by 3s, we heard that it was 30. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to get better, I promise. 30. There are 30 cars parked on the structure. And because my writing is so poor, our drawing is so poor with these little crayons, let's look at it. How many cars are parked in the structure? My answer would be 30, and I would write all this out. Cars are parked in the structure. That is my full answer, and that's how I would label it. All right, did you get 30? High five. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good job.